Ever felt lost in the jungle of digital assets? You're not alone. The crypto world can be as confusing as assembling flat-pack furniture without the instructions. Luckily, there's the CEX.IO Help Center, here to save your crypto journey. Let's dive in and see why it's your ultimate guide. Got questions? They've got answers. The CEX.IO Help Center is like that friend who always knows the answer to everything. What's a market order? How do I secure my account? From beginner FAQs to advanced troubleshooting, it's all there, neatly categorized like a digital library of crypto wisdom. Step-by-step guides, your crypto GPS. Ever tried transferring funds and wondered if you've just sent your life savings into the void? Fear not, the Help Center has step-by-step guides that make even the trickiest tasks feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or setting up two-factor authentication, these guides are the equivalent of a GPS saying, turn left at the next block. Can't find it? Search it. The search bar in the Help Center is the real MVP. Just type your keywords, like payment on pending, and boom! You've got tailored articles and solutions faster than you can say blockchain. It's like having a personal crypto assistant at your fingertips. But wait, what if you need a real person to guide you through the madness? CEX.IO has your back with an option to contact customer support. You'll get help when you need it most. The bonus section, tips and tricks. The Help Center doesn't just fix problems, it helps you avoid them. Want to secure your account better? Curious about how to verify your identity? They've got pro tips that make you look like a crypto genius to your friends. Just don't forget who told you about it first. It's there to guide you, answer your questions, and make sure you don't accidentally send your ether to the wrong wallet. So next time you feel stuck, don't panic. Just visit the Help Center. Because in the wild west of crypto, it's good to have a trusty sidekick. Join us and reach your next crypto level.